NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Mathematics, Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, Exercise 8.1, Question 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and secant A. We are given 15 cot A is equal to 8. First isolate cot A. Divide by 15 on both sides. Then it becomes cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Now let us convert cot A into a right triangle ratio. We know that cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side, which we have given it as 8 by 15. So we can assume a right triangle for angle A such that adjacent side is equal to 8 units and opposite side is equal to 15 units. Now please note that in trigonometry, whenever you get a ratio like cot A is equal to 8 by 15, you can safely take the sides in the same ratio, 8 and 15. This makes finding other ratios very easy. Find the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Adjacent side is 8 units and opposite side is 15 units. 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225. 64 plus 225 is equal to 289. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to 17 units. Now let us find sin A. What is the formula for sin A? Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? Opposite side is 15 units. And hypotenuse is 17 units. Therefore, sin A is equal to 15 by 17. Now let us find secant A. Secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 17. And adjacent side is 8. Therefore, secant A is equal to 17 by 8. Now the final answer is sin A is equal to 15 by 17 and secant A is equal to 17 by 8.